friends, here is Polina Botticelli, the crazy artist, and I would like to share how I'm making my dream come true, so maybe it would inspire you to do the same. So my dream is to build a beautiful houseboat, a piece of art filled with art from inside and outside, and to use it with my family and maybe to use it also as a workshop. But the main idea is to build it because I'm just fascinated by the process, and this idea came to me and it don't let me go. My first step was, of course, to catch the dream and to formulate what I'm going to do. I'm going to build a beautiful houseboat. The second thing which I have made, that I apply for the money from the state. I live in Berlin, and Berlin government support artists and culture, and there is a programs. So I was exploring one of the programs, the foundation called Kultur Berlin, I forgot. So anyway, I applied like 2 weeks ago, but the results I will know only in December. But even before December, I realized that even if they wouldn't give me money, I will find another way, because I just feel it's going to happen, because I wanted to make it happen. So I decided that I have to already do something else until I will get an answer from the foundation if I would have money. So, and the money, about the money, of course, without the money it's not so easy to make anything. But I already have one successful project of building a house on wheels out of the bus. Not like really building, but you can see it at the link which appears right now, and how I made it, and it was a lot of fun and a beautiful result. So my experience tells me that I have to just follow my dream. It knows the way, and following my dream, I found just on internet information that there is a boat festival, and I came here to just took the train from Berlin, and I went here to this boat festival with the mood that I'm on the right way, and I could feel it, you know. I have a feeling suddenly that I'm in love in this world. I like the people in the train. This feeling is a good feeling. It's a right state for doing something in the direction of your dream. So Werder is the name of the town where I came here, and here is the banner with the advertisement of this festival. Wood and fun. Here you can see some videos a little bit from this festival. There is not so much to show. The main thing that I was just going, and then I was in a search for the nice houseboat, and on the way I was filming my feet, and one guy said, "And now to the left." And this is exactly how the universe works. It guides you, really. This guy, he spontaneously, he said it, and then first I asked, "Is it a houseboat?" He said, "No, this is a sports boat." I said, "Okay." Critical thinking, yeah, why should I go to the left? This is not a houseboat. And I thought, wait, maybe this is the guidance from the universe. And then I came back to this guy and I said, first of all, I asked if he speaks English, and he said yes. And it was two guys actually. So first I was talking with this one who said, "And now to the left." He was like more open, more friendly from the first impression. And I was talking with him, and I said that I'm looking for the boat engineers to talk with, because I'm going to build my houseboat. And he said, "Well, me and my colleague are boat engineers." And they seem pretty bored at this festival. They don't have so much to do. They was just there, and when the people come, then they have to talk with them. So they was not don't mind to talk, and I said, maybe I can ask you a few questions, and then I start to ask. But this first friendly guy, he was maybe more German in his thinking. He was saying like, how big is your budget? And when I said maximum 24,000 euro, which is the maximum which I can get from the state, he said, oh, for this money you can only build the platform and that's it, and even not enough for the platform. But another guy, he was different. But I was saying, like, you know, I'm an artist and I have already the experience of similar projects, and I know that when you do it, then people start to help you for free and everything comes together and somehow you do it. And I know it's going to be like this. So, and then this first guy, he gave me his contacts, but he was always money, money, money. And the second guy, he started to talk with me later when I start to ask this practical question about, but maybe you can recommend me at least from which materials I can build and so on. And then the second guy, he starts to answer all my questions. I show him the more or less sketch, which I had like 2 days ago, the idea that I want to build a houseboat in the shape of the whale, because my daughter want to paint a whale, and we was painting this whale together, and then she paint all of us, our family, on top of the whale, and I thought, a whale actually it's a nice shape for the houseboat. So I love whales, of course. Who don't love whales? And then I googled if there is already a whale houseboat, and I found only this fantastic boat in the shape of the whale, which is made from metal. But houseboat, it seems no one built or no one make a picture yet. And I thought, oh, this is good, that I would be the first. And then I paint a very simple sketch, like I have no idea, because like of course I should know the materials first and the limitations which the material have and so on. So I just paint like the very, very rough sketch, and I show to this guy. And actually before I was thinking, I was working with papier-mâché a little bit just for decorating something, and then I thought, well, papier-mâché, it's a great material, would be great if I can build the houseboat from papier-mâché. But of course papier-mâché is not water resistant and it's not a proper material, it's also not strong enough. But then this guy, he recommended me material which have the good sides of papier-mâché, this glass, plastic, I forgot, here it's written, I will write. And he said you can do it as a papier-mâché, and as a basis you can use even not a metal but a wood, and you put this so he gave me the instructions how to build the pontoon and how to build the houseboat itself. And he is super friendly guy, and it was so pleasant to talk with him, to exchange. And he said he's a doctor of physics, biology and chemistry, and also the boat engineer. And he gave me his contacts in the case if I have more questions. So I really feel we have a contact. He have the same Thor hammer at his chest like I have at my keys. I showed to him, I said, this is a destiny. And it was so great to have all the answers from the person, because when you Google sometimes you cannot find the information, but when you find the right person, you have all the necessary information just like that. And what I want to share also with you guys, that this is very important first to find your dream, to find and to name it, and to, it's like with I don't know, Michelangelo, he have this piece of marmor in English, marmor, in Russian mramor, the piece of stone, and then he remove everything what is unnecessary. So with your dream it's the same. First it can be very rough, and then you search with joy, without too much pressure and attachment, just with curiosity. I at least that's how I do it, and this is how it works perfectly. And then you feel that the universe say yes to your idea, and then this is the right dream. I was for some years actually was searching for the proper dream, and now I found it, and I want to share with you how I will turn it to a life. So right now I don't have anything, I don't have money, I don't have even a driving license for the boats and even driving license for the car. I'm just a poor artist also mother of a small child, so not so much free time. Living in Berlin, my husband also don't have driving license and not so much money. We just have money for our life and that's it, nothing extra. And let's see what I can do. And press like and follow my channel if you want to see how it will develop, and you will see how it will turn to a beautiful houseboat. I have the doubts myself from time to time, but in a days like today I'm pretty sure and pretty confident, and I want to share this confidence with you. And if you also have a nice dream and you hear from the universe that it says yes, then do it, and don't forget to enjoy in the process. So it was Polina Botticelli, and follow your dreams, they know the way. Bye bye.